Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how in your phone you can delete messages in the application TikTok from both sides. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also write your comments after watching the video and be sure to put likes. So friends, let us get started with you. Open up the TikTok app and then you'll need to go to the messages section at the bottom and select the message that you want. As you can see here, I have a message to delete on both sides. If you have one, you'll need to click on it and hold it down. And then you'll see a little menu at the bottom like this. Choose Delete from it. And then you can choose a few options. As you can see, I've only got the Delete for Me option. But if you have a Delete for Everyone option, you need to select that. This way, the particular message will be deleted from both you and your conversation partner. This is how you can delete messages in TikTok from both sides very easily and quickly. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, as well as put your likes and write comments. Goodbye.